The Gentoo penguin appears ill-suited to land and can't take to the air. But when you add a splash of water to this surprisingly expert hunter, you create the fastest swimming bird on the planet. Reaching up to 22 miles per hour, 4 times faster than any Olympic swimmer, the Gentoo is built for phenomenal underwater speed. Streamlined bodies and densely packed feathers ensure minimal drag, as 2 sets of powerful shoulder muscles propel paddle-like former wings. And by swimming 3 times faster than most other penguin species, the Gentoo dives right into number 5 on our list.